Hello everyone, welcome back to Fitness Corridor. Today I'm going to show you how to do the squat, which is another core strengthening exercise. To know what is core, please do watch my last video, which is mentioned in the description box below. So how to do a squat and how to progress into a squat, going in onto chair pose or Utkat Asana. So let's begin the practice. Let's begin. Start with your feet hip width distance apart. Keep your abdominal muscles engaged. Imagine you have a chair behind. You have to go down and sit on that chair. You need to push your hips back and go down. Your hands can be straight in front. This is the squat. The body weight in a squat is towards your heels. You have to ensure your knees are not crossing your toes. Exhale and push back to the starting position. If it is difficult for you to do the squat as shown before, then try rolling your mat or any blanket. Place it underneath your heels, keeping your feet hip width distance apart. Now try to squat. This becomes much easier as it puts lesser stress on the ankles. As you get more comfortable with the normal squat, try to bring your legs closer, trying to do the chair pose. Inhale and pushing your hips behind. Go down on an imaginary chair. See if you can lift your hands up, keeping your chest lifted. This is a modification of the chair pose or Utkat Asana. Exhale and release the pose. For the chair pose, bring your legs together and keeping your core engaged, go down onto an imaginary chair. Keep your knees together, palms together, chest lifted, a long spine. See that your weight is on your heels. Staying here for 5 breaths. This pose tones the leg muscles, strengthens the hips, ankles, calves and back. It also stretches the chest and shoulders. Exhale and release the pose. An incorrect way to do a squat would be when your knees are crossing your toes. In this pose, a lot of weight would come on the knee joint. Another incorrect way would be in a hip width stance if your knees come together. Even if you're not keeping your chest lifted, that would be incorrect. As the spine is not kept long, a lot of weight comes on the back. This is the correct way to do a squat. In our day-to-day life, we come across the need to lift heavy objects. So most of the time what we do is we try to bend and round our back and try lifting the heavy object like this. This is incorrect because it poses a lot of strain on our back muscles and sometimes leads to an injury also. So what we need to do is come very close to the heavy object and go down into a squat, bending our knees towards the end and bringing the object closer to the body and lifting the object with the strength of our muscles, core muscles as well as the muscles of the leg to keep our back safe. Start with about 10 squats, that makes it 1 set. So start with about 1 set and then go on to doing 2 sets and 3 sets and even more. This is a great core strengthening exercise and it will keep building your core stronger. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for every new video that I post. So stay inspired, stay fit, stay safe. See you back soon. Namaste.